Okay, so embedding a video directly from Google Drive into MemberVault is a little bit more involved than if you were using a platform like YouTube or Vimeo or one of those. But it is doable. So what you would do is navigate to the video file in your Google Drive and right click and make sure that your share, when you share, it's anyone with the internet with this link can view it, because otherwise it won't work. So you need to change your sharing of this video, then click on it and open it up, and then I just want to pause it quickly. Okay, and then navigate to these three little dots over here and click open in new window. That will open it in a new window, and then click on the three little dots again and then click on embed item, and that will give you the embed code for that video. And so you want to just copy that and then go back into MemberVault where you want to place the video and put your cursor there, and then click on these three little dots over here and on this little icon over here, and it'll bring up the source code. And then you need to decide where you want to paste the video. So I want to actually paste it over here at the end of the sentence, at the bottom. And so then I just right click and I paste the code and then hit save, and you will see that the video has been embedded. And then when you go and have a look at the client facing view, if you've done everything correctly, the video will play. So you must check that it plays. If you hit play and it doesn't play and it says there's an error, you don't have access, it means that you haven't shared it properly. It means that the video is still private in your Google Drive. So that's it. That's how to embed a video from Google Drive into MemberVault.